Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we are going to take a look at the EROM version 5, which is the One UI 4.1 port for our Galaxy S7, the S7 Edge, the Note 7 and the Note FE. So without wasting any more time, let's take a look at it. So guys, this is the EROM S10 Plus port version 5, which is running Android 12 and is based on One UI 4.1. As you can see, One UI 4.1 Android version is 12. The security patch remains same. It is 1 September 2023. But in here you can see the build number. It says Eylem ROM version 5.0. So guys, this is the version 5 and on the screen you can see the changelog. If it doesn't fit, I will post two images on the screen so you can check that. You can pause the video and check the whole changelog, and this is the changelog. Now let's discuss the main factors of the changelog. The main bug fixes, or you can see the stuff which you need a lot, is dual SIM. So now both the SIMs are working fine, and you can check it in About Phone. You can go to IMEI and you can check both the IMEI numbers are fine. Also VoLTE is working fine. You can see sometimes it just gets it just disappears and it will stop working, but you have to do a fix. As you can see right now it just disappeared. So for that, what you have to do is just go into airplane mode, just turn it on, and when it turns on, turn it off. So this is a workaround for now. So when I'm going to make calls, VoLTE just like disappears from the status bar and it will reappear again. So it did not this time, I don't know why. Let's just try again. You can just disable the VoLTE toggle. This is weird, like every other time VoLTE disappeared, I had made it work right after turning it on, like turning on the airplane mode and turning it off. So basically LTE, but yeah, I can see VoLTE. You can also count VoLTE as partially working because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So this is really a like mystery. Like if you use VoLTE, you can check that on your own and also let me know down below in the comment section if it works fine for you or not. Now the next change is about gallery. So there is an add blur effect in gallery which is working fine now, and also the gallery photo editor with the effects were not working, they are also working fine now. There are some Wi-Fi related issues which are Wi-Fi slowdown issue, Wi-Fi turning on by itself in standby, and there's some issues with Wi-Fi 6 and mesh routers, so those are also fixed. So if you have any issues still with the version 5, you can report it down below in the comment section and also on the Telegram group. I'll give you the link. You can go there, report the bugs with logs if possible, which will help the developer to get it fixed. Also there are some languages issue which has been fixed, some missing fonts. There's a lot of CPU tuning and a lot of stuff has been done to make your device run smooth. You can see some driver updates, and then you have your device name has been changed to Galaxy S10 Plus instead of the regular S7, so it matches the port name and all that. And yep, Samsung Quick Share, which which was not working before, that has also been fixed. You can also use Samsung Dex now, and you don't have to disconnect or turn on the airplane mode. It will just directly work the Smart View and Samsung Dex. Also guys, secure folder has been added, so you can go into the option and you can also set up secure folder on this port. So this is a very good relief for a lot of users which have used secured folder on the stock OS. And there are some other updates, core updates, and some improving to the UI. The smoothness has been increased and other stuff like the camera and everything, which works fine. For the back camera, only the video recording works, and for the front you can take pictures. So to fix the back camera, the main camera for taking pictures, you have to install a third-party app. Samsung camera does not take, like there's a bug which does not let you take pictures with your back camera with the photo mode, and the video mode works normally. And guys, that is it for the video. So there's nothing much more to discuss about the whole ROM. Like this is an updated version, so I have discussed all the changes, and you can also go through the changelog if I have missed something. You can let me know that down below in the comment section. Also guys, if you have liked the video till now, press the like button, and if not, press the dislike button. And about the installation process is same, so there's no need to worry. All the links to the files have been placed in the description, so please check them out properly. Read the installation notes. Also, if you want to follow the installation, you can go through my previous video about the same ROM, and you can check out the installation. The installation part is basically at the end, so you can go to the end and check the part for full installation. And please use updated files from this video and go to the other video to check the installation. I have linked everything, all the guides, all the things in the description, so please do check that. And that was it for the video, and I hope you guys have liked it already. If not, press the like button. If not, if you haven't liked the video, then you can also press the dislike button. Also, you can subscribe for more videos for the Galaxy S7, the S7 Edge, the Note 7 and the Note FE. And that is it. Take care guys, and bye bye. See you guys soon.